Welcome to the Windows Club. If you encounter the error, this app can't open in your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the website or simply watch this video. I will guide you to the resolutions. The first solution is to check if the app is blocked. You will have to do this through the registry editor tool. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command regedit and hit enter to open the registry editor window. Now go to HKey current user, software, Microsoft, Windows, current version, policies, Explorer. In the right pane, you will find an entry named disallow run. If you find it, double click on it and change the value data to 0 from whatever it is. Click on OK and this should resolve the problem. However, if it does not, then you can turn on the user account control. For this, search for UAC in the Windows search bar and click on this option which reads Change User Account Control Settings. Once you reach this window, make sure that the lever is set at the second bar, not the first one, not the last one, not the third one, the second option. After this, click on OK to save the settings. It will ask for administrator permissions. Please click on yes for the same. The third solution is to run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings window, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down to troubleshoot and click on it. Then select other troubleshooters. After this, scroll down to the absolute bottom and click on run corresponding to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The next solution would be to reset or repair the app. For this, go to the settings window once again. Go to apps on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on apps and features. Now the app in question is the Microsoft Photos app, so we will scroll down to the same. Since the list is in alphabetical order, it should be easy to find. Here is the Microsoft Photos app. Click on these three dots corresponding to it, select advanced options, then scroll down and you will find this option to reset and repair this application. You can use either of them one by one. After this, you can clear the Windows Store cache. Press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. In the run window, type the command ws reset and hit enter. The next solution is to reinstall the app. For this, search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated PowerShell window. Now you can copy and paste the first command here to get the name of the applications. However, in case you are targeting the Photos app, then copy this command and paste it in the elevated PowerShell window and hit enter. The last solution would be to perform an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. In the elevated command prompt window, type the command SFC /scan now and hit enter. This will invoke the SFC scan. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.